In this video, we will learn how to customize dictionary in Microsoft Edge browser. So let's start. Open your Microsoft Edge browser and go to the right hand side. Then click on this three dot and you can see here the menu list. Then click on the settings option and here the click on here in language options. Okay. In languages, just drag below and you can see here the customized dictionary option. Just click on this arrow and you can add here the new word. Just click on add, just enter the word. So just I add here the pnd tech. Okay, then click on the add and you can see the pnd tech word is added. Words you have added. If you want to add more, just enter the word and click on the add word option. Okay, so this is a way you can customize your dictionary in Microsoft Edge browser. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.